Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. You are developing a solution that uses the language service. You need to identify the main talking points in a collection of documents. Which type of natural language processing should you use? Option A, language detection. Option B, sentiment analysis. Option C, entity recognition. Option D, key phrase extraction. The answer is option D. To identify the main talking points in a collection of documents, you should use key phrase extraction. This type of natural language processing analyzes the text and extracts key phrases that capture the main topics and ideas, providing a concise summary of the content. Question 2. You have 100 instructional videos that do not contain any audio. Each instructional video has a script. You need to generate a narration audio file for each video based on the script. Which type of workload should you use? Option A, language modeling. Option B, speech recognition. Option C, speech synthesis. Option D, translation. The answer is option C. To generate a narration audio file for each video based on the script, you need to convert text into audio. This process is known as speech synthesis. Speech synthesis takes written text and converts it into spoken words using artificial speech. Therefore, the appropriate type of workload for generating audio files from scripts is speech synthesis. Question 3. You are processing photos of runners in a race. You need to read the numbers on the runners' shirts to identify the runners in the photos. Which type of computer vision should you use? Option A, facial recognition. Option B, optical character recognition. Option C, image classification. Option D, object detection. The answer is option B. Optical character recognition allows you to extract printed or handwritten text from images, which is exactly what is needed to read the numbers on the runner's shirts and identify them. This technology is specifically designed to recognize and process text within images, making it the appropriate choice for this task. Question 4. You are building a language understanding model for an e-commerce business. You need to ensure that the model detects when utterances are outside the intended scope of the model. What should you do? Option A, export the model. Option B, add utterances to the none intent. Option C, create a pre-built task entity. Option D, create a new model. The answer is option B. To ensure that the model detects when utterances are outside the intended scope, adding utterances to the none intent is appropriate. The none intent is a default category that captures all utterances not covered by other specific intents, helping the model recognize out-of-scope inputs. Question 5. You have an AI-based loan approval system. During testing, you discover that the system has a gender bias. Which responsible AL principle does this violate? Option A, accountability. Option B, reliability and safety. Option C, transparency. Option D, fairness. The answer is option D. An AI-based loan approval system that exhibits gender bias violates the principle of fairness. Fairness in AI ensures that systems treat all individuals equally and without discrimination. Gender bias indicates that the system is not treating all applicants equally, thereby violating this principle. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.